Hi everybody. So we've made the decision that we're going to move and go out of our apartment and go back to full-time RVing, and we're very excited about it. But man, we full-time RV'd for 3 years and then went into an apartment for a year and a half. The things that we accumulated again is crazy. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through just my cleaners. So I want you to see the madness. It's just insane. How do I do this every time? But anyway, I'm going to flip you around so that you can see the cleaners. Look at this madness. Look at this. This is just cleaners. I live in a 2-bedroom apartment. Okay, it's not like I have a huge house with. It's just insane. So I'm going to go through all these cleaners. I've been trying to take the harsher chemicals out and just putting more natural cleaners with essential oil, but somehow I still accumulated more. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go through these and I'm gonna go from this and I'll show you what I get it all down to. Okay, so what I tried to do first is to separate all the cleaners in groups, like floor and kitchen cabinets and bathroom and toilets and carpet fresheners and stuff like that. So here's what I've got. So I have the fabric freshener, and then I've got the carpet stuff that I've used. I've got air freshener. I've got here, I've got my wood cleaner or furniture polish. And then back here, I've got all my cabinet sprays. And then here, I've got the things that I use to clean my floor. And then here, I've got stuff I use to clean glass. And then back here, I've got vinegar, peroxide, some of the things that I use to make my own cleaners. And then I've got butcher block conditioner, and then I've got some brushes and some scrubbing pads. And then here is all of my cleaners that I mix up. So I have a lot of stuff. Now I've got to condense it down. Okay, so it took me another day, but I think I got this down. So let me show you what I ended up with. Okay, I'll flip you. Okay, so basically I have two groups. I have this pile, and this bucket is what I'm going to use as my cleaning bucket in the RV that I take with me. Look, that is it. So just to show you, and pardon for my not so professional video. So this is my cabinet cleaner, my counter spray, and I have a recipe that I use with essential oils to mix that up. And then I've got my dish liquid. I figure it'll just be easier to, I use essential oils in here as well. So I figure it'd just be easier to have everything in one container. Plus I'm going down and I don't have a lot of room. Here's some sponges and some little brushes that I use for cleaning. And then this I'm going to use for the recipe that I make up as I'm using it to scrub tile or in the bathtub. And this is just an extra spray top in case one breaks. And then I have, this is an extra one. I have 2 extra bottles yet that I'm not sure the cleaner that I'm going to put in there, only because I'm not sure if I'm going to paint the wood in the RV that we buy or I'm going to leave it. So one is going to be wood cleaner and polish that I'll make up, but if I paint, then I'll use this for something else. And this one is windows and mirrors. It's my own solution. And then I've got 2 extra bottles. This right here is a mixture. I'm getting messages, is a mixture that I use on my mattress quarterly. So it has baking soda and some lavender essential oil, and I just sprinkle when I'm washing my sheets and pillows. I just sprinkle a little bit of this. I only do it once a quarter, not wash my sheets, but use this, and I sprinkle it on the mattress, on the bare mattress, and then let it sit for an hour, and then I vacuum it off. And it helps just to make sure you don't ever get bed bugs, because the baking soda salt will kill anything that tries to get on your mattress. I'm paranoid about that. But anyway, and then the lavender makes the mattress smell very good and clean. So I'll do that. And then this other one here is carpet powder, very much the same. I use the baking soda, and then I mix in Purify essential oils from doTERRA and shake it up. And then this little lid, which I love on these that you can buy for your little ball jars, is a shaker. So I can sprinkle it. We are hoping not to have any carpet. We'll rip out whatever we have, but if there is some there, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this down, and again I let it sit, and then I vacuum it all up, and the carpet is fresh. It takes away any odors that may be in the carpet, and just gives your whole place a nice fresh feel. So I feel pretty good. I got it down to that. That's my cleaners for the RV. Now these cleaners over here, I'm keeping for now. I threw a lot of them out, but I'm going to keep these for now. And in the one for the RV, I'm just missing, I'm going to get a different duster. But the ones over here is what I'm keeping to initially clean the RV when we first get it. I'm going to use these items and go through and just do a really deep cleaning. And then I'm also going to use these to clean the apartment when we get everything out of it before we turn back over the keys. So I feel pretty good about this. I mean, look, you remember the mess that we had before? Look at that. Not bad. So ultimately, I'll only be left with the ones on the left for the RV. The ones on the right, all that is, I'm just getting rid of. What I don't use anyway. Not too bad. Not too bad.